mistakes. We missed the sunrise. We woke up too late. Good morning, my kings and queens. We woke up a little bit too late for the sunrise, but today we're going to the beach. Every day we go swimming here, but yeah, it's not that I'm tired of the scenery, it's just that there's no one out here and I'm craving some social interaction. So we're gonna go to the beach, walk around, have drinks there, meet some people. Oh, my phone's overheating. We better get out of the heat. Yeah, we're gonna go over there. I already packed I pre-packed my lunch. I got some snacks, some drinks, some clothes. Worst comes to worst, I could just camp out there. And Kuya Eric is coming to give me a ride, so I don't have to drive the motorcycle drunk there and back. It's gonna be a good day. I'll see you at the beach, my kings and queens. Kuya Eric is now here. We're gonna go drive to the beach. We've just arrived at Kota Beach. Check it out. This behind me is the joke of the day. You gotta be kidding me. If you think people are gonna stop swimming because of this sign? So we reached the end of the sandbar. It's noon hour, hottest time of day. We basically got this place to ourselves. Oh. Hindi siya kosher. Hindi kosher yun? Kosher. Alam mo kosher? Ay, parang bawal yun?
Isa bago to, sir.
Sarap yan pero bawal.
Masarap, sir.
Anong lasa?
Give one sir.
I don't think it's kosher, bro. Amoy ko lang.
Yes.
It might be delicious, but it's not kosher. Biblical food law. Fish and chips. It's so comfy. Check out the scenery. Still the view is not bad, but we're still, there's no one to talk to. We're stranded in paradise. Pretty soon I'm gonna carve up a coconut and name him Wilson. This is the kind of place you go to relax, be by yourself, rediscover yourself, healing, these kind of things. So we're just realizing something. If you're craving social interaction, a stranded island is probably not the place you want to go. I'm gonna be out here alone right for most of this day. I'm not expecting to see anyone. There's no one any direction really. Couple of people swimming, couple of lovers on the beach. Other than that, there's not really nothing going on. This is sad. This here is buko rum. This is how we do it in the Philippines. Pour half a bottle of tanduay and one coconut. By buko rum. It's so hot out right now. The more I drink, the more groggy I get. It's hard to stay up right now. I'm gonna go over there and take a nap. Maybe I'll just take a nap here. Yeah, there's no ants. I think I'm just in a nap right here. Yo, that guy knows what's up. That's how you do it in the tropics. You just lay down, take a rest. That's it. Don't worry about what's going on. That guy's a professional Juan Tamad. And that's what we aspire to be in the tropics. No matter what your background, maybe you're a financial expert, you're an entrepreneur, you're in the stocks. Yo, that guy there, that guy has it more figured out than you or me. Take note. That's how it's done. So let me tell you a story. There's a businessman and he meets this lazy guy at the beach who's just laying around. The businessman tells this lazy guy, "Why don't you go fish like those guys on the water?" And then what? Asked the lazy dude. Then you can save money. You can buy yourself a boat. And then what? Said the lazy dude. And you can save up and buy more boats and get people to work for you. And then what? You can travel the world and you have all these workers and you can lay around on the beach. Then the dude asked, "Isn't that what I'm doing now?" Yeah, so this was a story, the businessman and the fisherman. I think it's about contentment, because that lazy dude was lazy, but he's content. Like, he was already laying on the beach. So it's like, what's the point of going for all of that business pursuit, all that hassle? In the end, you're just gonna end up doing the same thing anyways. So we're now leaving Kota Beach. We'll find somewhere to eat. We just ate there a little bit. Stomach's still not full, so we're gonna go eat more. Welcome back home, my kings and queens. It's 2 days later. I woke up in town. I had a few too many drinks, so I ended up sleeping in town. But the good news, I caught the sunrise, so we'll get to see the sunrise in the next episode. We left here for a change of scenery and for some social interaction. We got the change of scenery. We didn't get to really interact with anyone because there was no one there. So in the next episode, we actually get to meet a super cool tourist. We didn't record the conversation, but we had a lot in common. Little spoiler alert, he was Canadian too, just like me. But I'm not gonna spoil it all. You'll have to tune in for next episode. Oh, you guys gotta subscribe. I noticed you guys are watching in the analytics, but you guys aren't subscribing. Please subscribe so that you see my video automatically. So I got a bunch of friends that are on the wagon. That's just a term for an alcoholic that stopped drinking. For 1 week, I'm not gonna drink any gin, rum, vodka, or beer. So I'm gonna be on the wagon for 1 week here. Cheers to the kings and queens.